hush puppy recipe. Cornmeal, we have flour, we have milk, we have baking soda, we have onion powder, we have 1 large egg, salt, and pepper. Mix all of your dry ingredients. Make sure it's well incorporated. Milk, egg. Our mixture, create your little well, and milk in the middle. Just get it all mixed in. We're going to heat our oil to 375 degrees. We're gonna take us a tablespoon. Now, a little ugly, but that's all right. They're gonna be one of the best tasting hush puppies in your face. Hush puppies